to Deva, to Deva. Deva goes for offside, but not so good connection between bat and ball. Crossing that back to Dizit. Once again, that back. Dizit once again. Dizit goes for big in there and wicket down. Fast wicket down. Goes to once again. Once again, batsman goes for big. But this time no connection bat and ball. Still taken. Suraj now 3 runs for Rogo 11. Sumit. Balls to Rizu. And it's another wicket. Rizu comes for the already taken wicket in this spell. But this time, another single taken. Oh no! Run out chances is there. Once again. Good line delivery. Rogo 11. Sumit. Once again, clean ball by Sumit. Another wicket down for Sumit. Goes to Pardo. Once again, big appeal from the wicket keeper. Ralman goes to Nissan. And Nissan goes for offside for a single and scores for to 11 with the loss of 4 wickets. Goes to Partha and Partha goes for a side. Partha able to clear the boundary. Brimble goes down the next side, but this time it's another wicket for United Cricket Club লগত গতিকে দুটা বলৰ অধিনায়ককে আমরা আমাৰ কমেন্টে কাৰ্যালয়ৰ ওচৰত বিচাৰিছো to Rajit and Rajit goes down the right side for L6. Rajit once again, Rajit wants for big. Goes to Rajit. Once again, good net delivery from Sumit. Warming up for his next goal. Once again, Rajit wants for big. Now Minroy passes Sumit. Once again, batsman goes down the next side, but over to his near. Goes to Rajit. Rajit goes for 5 leg for Rogo 11 scores 28 runs. Target will be 29 for Tongas 11. Not a good score. अभी खेल हो रहा है रोगो 11 और Tongas 11 के बीच में. इसी बीच Tongas 11 का 2 सलामी बल्लेबाज. Hello. Raju will Rajit will preparing for his pass ball to jersey number 1 Pankaj. Here is Rajiv. Nice delivery. No ball. For no ball signal given by the umpire. Rajiv crossing the umpire to Pankaj. Pankaj goes for leg side. Rajiv once again goes to batsman goes down the leg side for a huge six. For 6 for Suraj and for 6 for Pankaj 11. Once again goes to Suraj, block goal. Final goal. Amar Rotel Karaki, Duzan once again, Suraj goes with a huge six. Rajiv goes to Suraj once again. Suraj won for his third goal in his first spell to Pankaj. Pankaj goes, but this time not able to clear the boundary. The first wicket down is Sarthak. In Sarthak, Sarthak for wicket and back-to-back wicket for Sarthak. Sarthak goes to Suraj. And Suraj goes down the wrong for a six. Suraj. It's 6 number 3 for Suraj. The dangerous batsman is on present on strike out. Suraj once again. It's back-to-back sixes for Suraj.